MikroTik. Ethernet 1. Ethernet 2. Ethernet 3. Example, MikroTik has 3 ports. One WAN port, one LAN port, and one port is a web server. Ethernet 3. Web server. Here are some steps to set up a port to connect to a web server on a MikroTik router. Bridge. Create different bridges. Add. Bridge LAN. Apply. OK. Bridge LAN. Ports. Interface. Ethernet 2. Add another bridge. Bridge DMZ. I will connect the web server to this bridge. Bridge DMZ. Ports. Ethernet 3. Bridge DMZ. Bridge DMZ. Close. Set IP addresses on the interfaces. Ethernet 2. 168. 88. 1. Ethernet 3. 168. 100. 1. Address web server IP address only. Web server 192. 168. 100. 50. Set up IP address on MikroTik. Close. IP. Addresses. LAN IP. Address. LAN IP. 192. 168. 88. 1. Network. 168. 88. 0. Interface. Bridge LAN. Apply. OK. LAN IP. LAN gateway and network. Next, set up DMZ IP. Add. Address. 192. 100. 24. Network. 100. 0. Interface. Bridge DMZ. DMZ IP. DMZ gateway and network. Web server uses 2 ports 80 and 443. 80. 443. Next, forward ports on the MikroTik router. Close. IP. Firewall. NAT. Add. Forward port 80. Chain. Destination NAT. Protocol. TCP. Destination port 80. In interface. Ethernet 1. Also known as the WAN interface. Action. Destination NAT. 2 addresses. Web server IP address. Web server IP address. 192. 168. 100. 50. To ports. 80. OK. Complete forwarding 80 to the web server. Next, forward port 443. Destination NAT. Protocol. TCP. 443. Ethernet 1. Also known as the WAN interface. Destination NAT. 2 addresses. Web server IP address 50.443. Apply. 443. OK. Complete forwarding 443 to the web server. Next, you block traffic from the web server to your local network. Web server. LAN. Drop. Drop. Do the following. IP. Firewall. Filer rules. Add. Action. Drop. Chain. Forward. In interface. Bridge DMZ. Destination address. LAN network. LAN network. Destination address. 192.168.88.0.24. The above are the steps to set up a web server on a MikroTik router. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.